You ever finish a carving, step back, look at it, and something just feels off? Like it's not terrible, it looks like what you were trying to carve, but it doesn't look good. That happens to pretty much everyone when they start. And here's the thing, most of the time it's not a skill problem, it's just that you stopped one step too early. So in this video, let's go over 3 simple things that can take a basic carving, mushroom, animal, little figure, whatever, and make it look cleaner, sharper, more intentional. Nothing complicated, just small adjustments that make a big difference. A lot of beginners think carving is just removing wood until the shape appears. And technically, yeah, that's carving. But a carving starts looking good when the shape is clean, the surface is clean, the details make sense. Miss one of those and the piece feels unfinished, even if you worked hard on it. So let's fix that. Before you touch any small details, eyes, texture, little decorations, stop. Rotate your carving. Look at it from the front, from the side, from the top. Now hold it out at arm's length. From far away, does the shape look smooth and balanced? Or do you see weird bumps and flat spots? That outer outline, that's the silhouette. And it's doing way more work than most people realize. If the silhouette looks clean, the carving already looks better. Here's what usually throws things off. One side might be slightly thicker than the other. A smooth curve kind of turns into a flat spot. There's a little bump that wasn't planned, or a random corner that just appeared. Sometimes it looks good from one angle and strange from another, like fine from the front, then you turn it and something feels weird. Totally normal. That's just part of shaping. The only mistake is ignoring it and moving on too fast. Instead of carving deeper, try light touch-ups, light slicing cuts. Very light, not heavy cuts, just controlled passes, almost like you're shaving thin layers off the surface. This is where sharp tools really matter. A sharp knife lets you make tiny adjustments without tearing up the wood. If your knife starts dragging or leaving rough fibers, take a minute, strop it, bring that edge back. It makes a huge difference. And once that outline is fixed, you'll notice the carving already looks more finished. Okay, next step. Let's talk about that fuzzy, scratchy surface. You know what I mean? Little torn fibers, rough patches, harsh knife marks everywhere. Even when the shape is right, that rough surface makes it look unfinished. It catches the light in all the wrong ways. This rough surface usually happens for a few reasons. Your knife isn't sharp enough, you're pushing instead of slicing, you're cutting against the grain, or you're just trying to remove too much wood at once. All very common. Everyone does this in the beginning, no big deal. So here's the easiest method. Once the carving is shaped, go over it one more time, but don't try to reshape anything. Just do a final pass where you remove almost nothing. You're not fixing proportions anymore, you're refining. Think of it like this, you're not carving anymore, you're polishing the shape with the knife. Light touches, smooth transitions. This matters most on curved areas, cheeks, rounded heads, mushroom caps, animal bodies, arms, legs, anything that's supposed to feel soft and flowing. When those curves are clean, the whole carving feels cleaner. Quick question that always comes up. Should you sand? You can. A little sanding can help remove fuzz and soften tiny imperfections, especially if you're just starting out. But don't rely on sanding to fix bad cuts. Clean knife work first, light sanding only if needed. Too much sanding can blur edges and make details look soft. So use it as a helper, not a rescue plan. Now, way number 3 is where a lot of people get it wrong. They think making a carving look better means adding more details, more lines, more texture, more tiny cuts, but that usually makes it look worse. Instead, the real upgrade is add contrast. Contrast means creating clear differences between areas, like a deeper cut next to a smooth surface, a shadow line under a hat brim, eye sockets that are slightly deeper, a crisp line where 2 shapes meet, a small V-cut to separate forms. You don't need 20 details, you need 2 or 3 that matter. Here are a few easy upgrades you can try right away. Add a clean shadow line under a hat, a mushroom cap, or a nose. Just one confident cut underneath. And suddenly there's depth. Use a small V-cut to separate areas, hair from the face, sleeves from the arms, the edge of clothing. That clean separation makes everything look intentional. Instead of scratching in a shallow mouth line, deepen it slightly, give it space to cast a shadow. Same with ears on a small animal, or the line that defines the snout. One confident cut, not 10 small, uncertain ones. See the pattern? Clean, intentional, slightly deeper where it counts. That's what makes it pop. If you remember only one thing from this video, make it this: less detail, cleaner cuts. That combination beats lots of detail but messy every time. When the shape is clean, the surface is smooth, and a few key details have depth. Even a simple carving looks impressive. So quick recap. First, fix the silhouette. Second, clean the surface. Third, add contrast where it matters. That's it. No advanced techniques, no fancy tools, just finishing steps that most beginners skip. Wood carving is one of those hobbies where small improvements show up fast. And once you start paying attention to these details, your projects will look better almost immediately. If this helped, hit like so more carvers can find it. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, tips, and carving ideas. And drop a comment. What part gives you the most trouble right now? Shape? Smoothness? Details? Let's talk about it. Keep carving, and I'll see you in the next one.